Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best bike locks for electric bikes. Number 1. Kryptonite Motorcycle. Designed for cyclists who demand security and durability, this heavy-duty bike lock delivers reliable protection in urban and moderate-risk areas. Constructed from 7mm four-sided hardened steel links, it resists cutting and leverage attacks with ease. The advanced disc-style cylinder offers strong defense against picking and drilling attempts, while a patented end-link locking mechanism securely connects the chain to a hardened deadbolt, eliminating common weak points seen in standard locks. Built with both strength and bike care in mind, it features a weather-resistant nylon sleeve and rubber coating that help prevent scratches, wear, and frame damage over time. Weighing 1.59 kilograms, 3.50 pounds, and extending up to 85 centimeters, 33.5 inches, in circumference, the lock provides generous reach without compromising on toughness. 2 keys are included, and through the KeySafe program, you can register your unique key code to receive up to 2 free replacement keys if ever lost, anywhere in the world. For added peace of mind, this lock is eligible for optional anti-theft protection coverage, offering up to $500 reimbursement in case of theft when registered. With a 5 out of 10 security rating, it's ideal for everyday use where dependable protection matters. Number 2. Endacter Security. Built for serious security, this heavy-duty bike lock kit offers robust protection for your e-bike, scooter, motorcycle, or other valuable gear. The system includes a thick U-lock crafted from 18mm, 0.7 inch, hardened steel with a double-opening design, paired with a 6-foot steel cable to secure multiple items at once. With external dimensions of 7.8 by 9.2 inches and an interior space of 5.5 by 7 inches, the lock provides ample room for various locking setups. Weighing 1.54 kilograms, it's engineered to withstand cutting and leverage attacks, making it an excellent deterrent in high-theft areas. The double deadbolt locking mechanism and precision zinc alloy cylinder help protect against technical openings and tampering. A built-in dust cover keeps the lock smooth and functional, while the included brass keys are durable and resistant to bending or breakage. This set includes 3 keys, ideal for keeping spares at home or the office, and a flexible steel cable that adds versatility to your locking options. Perfect for securing more than just bikes, it also works well with sports equipment, gates, fences, ladders, and more. Whether used individually or together, this lock kit ensures your gear stays where it belongs. Number 3. Sportneer Bracket. Engineered for durability and convenience, this portable U-lock offers robust protection for bikes and other valuables. With a compact size of 7.76 by 5.02 inches and a sturdy 17mm, 0.67 inch, thick alloy steel body, it weighs just 1.64 pounds, making it easy to carry without compromising on security. A silicone-coated, polygonal lock body design resists water, dust, and dirt while preventing scratches on your frame, ensuring long-term use and a clean look. Equipped with a 5-foot steel cable and a mounting bracket, this lock secures frames, wheels, or even multiple bikes to fences, poles, or posts. The bracket fits bike tubes between 26mm and 38mm in diameter, offering wide compatibility. A high-strength zinc alloy lock core and alloy steel head resist cutting, smashing, drilling, and sawing, withstanding forces up to 12 tons. Included are 2 durable keys, allowing you to keep one spare at home or the office for extra peace of mind. Ideal for more than just bicycles, this versatile lock works for e-bikes, scooters, grills, ladders, lawnmowers, gates, and more. Whether commuting or gifting, this lock offers solid security with effortless functionality. Number 4. Sportneer Mountain. This portable U-lock offers a smart balance of toughness and convenience, making it a dependable choice for everyday bike security. Compact and rugged, it measures 7.76 by 5.02 inches with a 17mm, 0.67 inch, thick steel body, and weighs only 1.64 pounds. The lock's unique polygonal shape and silicone coating resist water, dust, and dirt while protecting your bike from scratches, keeping it clean and damage-free. Designed for versatility, It comes with a 5-foot steel cable and a mounting bracket, allowing you to secure wheels, frames, or multiple bikes to fences or posts. The bracket fits bike tubes with diameters from 26 mm to 38 mm, making installation quick and tool-free. Built with a strong zinc alloy core and an alloy steel lock head, this U-lock can withstand up to 12 tons of shear force and resists cutting, smashing, drilling, and sawing. Included are 2 brass keys for backup access, giving you peace of mind if one is lost. Ideal for bikes, e-bikes, scooters, ladders, grills, gates, and more, it's a versatile lock for daily use and a thoughtful gift for any cyclist. Reliable, compact, and easy to use, this lock gets the job done. Number 5. Endacter Combo. Offering keyless convenience with strong security, this heavy-duty U-lock with a resettable 4-digit combination eliminates the hassle of carrying or misplacing keys. Its 14.6 mm hardened steel shackle resists cutting and leverage attacks, while the included 5-foot steel cable adds flexibility, ideal for looping through wheels, frames, or accessories. For added protection, it's recommended to thread the cable through both wheels before securing the frame to a fixed object with the U-lock. With an interior locking space of 7.5 inches by 4.5 inches and exterior dimensions of 9.8 inches by 7 inches, this lock offers more room than most, making it easier to secure larger items or multiple components at once. Weighing 2.82 pounds combined, the U-lock and cable strike a perfect balance between portability and solid resistance to theft. The shackle is coated to prevent scratches, while the durable zinc alloy combination head ensures smooth operation. Easy to set and reset, the initial code is 0000, and changing it is quick with a turn of the reset disc. Just remember to note your new combination. Suitable for bikes, e-bikes, scooters, gates, and more, this combo lock delivers practical security for daily use. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.